By using a graph, we are going to learn the anomalous expansion of water. What is anomalous expansion of water? In general, if any substance is cooled, it will contract. Here, in the case of water, the water shows a peculiar property. When the water is cooled, initially it contracts. When it reaches 4 degrees Celsius, it attains the lowest volume. If the water is further cooled, that is from 4 degrees Celsius to 0 degrees Celsius, at the time of cooling, instead of contraction, the expansion occurs in the case of water. When it is cooled, instead of contraction, it starts expanding. That is, its volume is increasing. This kind of peculiar phenomenon is called as anomalous expansion of water. That is the peculiar property of the water. Now we are going to learn the same thing with the help of graph. Now the initial temperature of water is 10 degrees Celsius. When the temperature is 10 degrees Celsius, the volume of water is given in centimeter cube. Its volume is 1000.27 centimeter cube. This is for 1 kg of water. The volume of water is 1000.27 centimeter cube. Now I am going to reduce the temperature. Look at the variation in the volume. Volume also will decrease. Now at 9 degrees Celsius, volume is reduced to 1000.13 centimeter cube. Now the temperature is further reduced to 8 degrees Celsius. Now look at the variation in the graph and also variation in the value. Now the volume, it becomes 1000.08 centimeter cube. Volume is decreasing. If it is further reduced to 7 degrees Celsius, volume still decreases. The volume becomes 1000.05 centimeter cube. If the temperature is further reduced to 6 degrees Celsius, the volume is reduced to 1000.02 centimeter cube. Now the water contracts, its volume decreases. If the temperature is further reduced to 5 degrees Celsius, the volume is reduced to 1000.01 centimeter cube. Now you have to observe very keenly what happens at 4 degree Celsius. Now the temperature reaches to 4 degrees Celsius. Now the volume of water is 1000 centimeter cube. It shows that the volume of water attains the minimum value, least value. This is the least value of the volume of water that occurs at 4 degree Celsius. Very important one. Now only you are going to observe the anomalous expansion of water. Right from 4 degree Celsius up to 0 degree Celsius alone, expansion of water occurs. Observe it very keenly. Now the temperature is further reduced to 3 degrees Celsius. That is from 4 to 3 degrees Celsius. Look at here. Volume increases. It shows that it expands. At 3 degrees Celsius, the volume of water is 1000.01 centimeter cube. Now the temperature is further reduced to 2 degrees Celsius. Look at here. Still the volume increases. The volume is increased to 1000.03 centimeter cube. Now I am going to reduce the temperature further to 1 degree Celsius. Look at here. Volume still increases, 1000.06 centimeter cube. That occurs at 1 degree Celsius. Look at here. Now the temperature is further reduced to 0 degree Celsius. Look at here. Now the volume is increased to 1000.12. Volume is increased to 1000.12 centimeter cube. Now it attains the solid state, it becomes ice, and it expands. At 0 degree Celsius, the complete 1 kg of water, it is converted into ice and it attains a solid state. Volume of the ice, it becomes greater and it attains the solid state. Okay, ice will float on water because volume is more, density is less. Here two graphs are drawn. From these two graphs, we can get certain inferences. The first graph, the graph is drawn between temperature and volume of water. In the first graph, the inference is the volume of water is least at 4 degrees Celsius, that is 1000 centimeter cube. In the second graph, the graph is drawn between temperature and density. Look at the shape of the graph and look at the formula also. Density of water is equal to mass of water divided by volume of water. Here density and volume both are inversely proportional to one another. Therefore, the shape of the graph is inverted in the second one. And from the second graph, it is inferred that density of water attains the maximum value at 4 degrees Celsius, that is 1000 kg per meter cube.